for too long. It's time for you to pay or suffer the consequences. Sorry, I'm really sorry, but I wasn't able to hunt. I had my pup and I couldn't go out without him and... Leave us. You have to give us your food now or suffer the consequences. I can't leave my pup. Why can't you understand that? I can't hunt. So be it. What should we do with the body? And what should we do with the pup? Drop the body outside the cave. And as for the pup, you can run him into some other territory, far away from here. It's not our problem anymore. Yes, sir. Take him to the pack of the winged crows. They'll do something with him. Just leave him on the ice.